How to open Incognito in Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you want to click on New Private tab, which will open up a new incognito window. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can open an incognito tab or a private tab in the Brave browser, so you can browse and use the app anonymously. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, as usual, I will see you in the next video. Take care.